This is Optimal Finance Daily, episode 872. Here's how rich you'd be if you followed Warren Buffett's investment strategy, by Phil Town of Rule1Investing.com. And I'm Dan, your host. Welcome to Optimal Finance Daily, where I read to you from some of the best personal finance blogs on the planet. And thank you to SendPro Online from Pitney Bowes. Save time and money no matter what you ship or mail with the SendPro Online software. Print shipping labels and stamps right from your desk and access discounted rates for as low as $4.99 a month. Try it free for 30 days and get a free 10-pound scale by visiting pb.com/finance. That's pb.com/finance. And now let's get right to today's post as we optimize your life. Here's how rich you'd be if you followed Warren Buffett's investment strategy, by Phil Town of Rule1Investing.com. Anybody who knows me for more than 2 seconds knows Warren Buffett has made a big impact on me and my investment strategy. Heck, I even named my business Rule Number 1 after one of his quotes. He said, quote, "Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1." End quote. That's a rule I not only live by as an investor, but as a financial educator. I've built my business and personal wealth around it. Everything I do is all about minimizing risk and maximizing reward. Whether it's stock, houses, boats, or cars, I always buy on sale. Like Buffett, I know the stock market doesn't have to be a big gamble. To me, his investing philosophy is brilliant because it's so simple. Don't lose money ever. That philosophy has made him one of the richest people on the planet, and he is undoubtedly one of the most successful investors of all time. One of the best ways to get a feel for just how extraordinary Warren Buffett's investment results have been over the years is to look at how much money you could have made if you had invested in Buffett's holding company, Berkshire Hathaway. If you invested $1,000 in Berkshire Hathaway back in 1964, what would it be worth today? Warren Buffett first took over the holding company Berkshire Hathaway in 1964. At the time, shares of Berkshire Hathaway were valued at just $19 a share. With Buffett at the helm, choosing which companies Berkshire Hathaway invested in, though, this number rose dramatically. Today, Class A shares of Berkshire Hathaway are valued at a little over $300,000 a share. This means that $1,000 invested in Berkshire Hathaway back when Warren Buffett took over in 1964 would be worth almost $16 million today. If you had invested $1,000 a year in Berkshire Hathaway starting in 1964, your returns would be even more staggering. Today, $1,000 a year invested in Berkshire Hathaway from 1964 to now, a total investment of just $54,000, would be worth $124 million. Many of today's investors either weren't alive in 1964 when Berkshire Hathaway was taken over by Buffett, or they weren't old enough to have any money in the market. Thanks to Warren Buffett's investment strategy, though, none of that matters. Even young investors who entrusted their money with Buffett could have made a fortune. $1,000 invested in Berkshire Hathaway in 1990 would be worth $45,154 today. That equates to an investor multiplying their money by over 45 times in less than 20 years. So what allows Warren Buffett to deliver such high returns? The returns that Warren Buffett has been able to deliver are no accident. His investing success boils down to a strategy for choosing the right companies to buy as well as when to buy them. Buffett's secret rules of investing. Buffett is among a camp of investors that believes the price that the market puts on a company is often much less than the company's true value, and he has made a fortune out of finding companies that are priced lower than they actually should be. He's not a day trader or even a highly active trader, and rather focuses on buying companies that he can hold on to for the long term. In fact, one of Warren Buffett's most famous quotes is, "Our favorite holding period is forever." Buffett has also said before that if you aren't comfortable holding on to a company for at least 10 years, then you should never buy it. Using these relatively simple principles, Warren Buffett has been able to single out companies that deliver value over the long term and buy them at a price point that is on sale relative to their true worth. The results of this strategy, as seen from how much money an investor could have made if they followed Warren Buffett, speak for themselves. Warren Buffett may be a legend among investors, but there is no magical secret behind his success. In fact, the principles he has used to turn a holding company that was priced at $19 a share into one that is priced at over $300,000 a share are principles that anyone can learn and put to use in their own investing strategy. Here are Warren Buffett's 4 principles. 1. Be capable of understanding the business. 2. Make sure the business has a durable competitive advantage. 3. Ensure the management of the company is trustworthy and has integrity. And 4. Buy the stock on sale. With rule number 1 investing, a strategy designed to enable everyday investors to make use of the same principles that Buffett has over the course of his career, you can achieve returns that greatly outpace the market, just like Warren Buffett has. It's simple, and you can't even argue with it because if you can buy $10 bills for $5, you're guaranteed to make money. Today, Berkshire Hathaway is reaching critical mass, and generating returns like it once did is going to be difficult for the company due to the limitations that having to invest billions of dollars at a time imposes. With that said, by following the strategies of rule number 1 investing, you can emulate the past success of Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway in your own investments. You just listened to the post titled, "Here's How Rich You'd Be If You Followed Warren Buffett's Investment Strategy" by Phil Town of OneRuleInvesting.com. And hey, you don't need to waste any more time waiting in line to send mail and packages. With SendPro Online from Pitney Bowes, you can send packages and mail right from your desk for as low as $4.99 a month. And for being an Optimal Finance Daily listener, you'll receive a free 30-day trial to get started. As an added bonus, you'll also receive a free 10-pound scale shipped right to your door to help you accurately weigh your packages. Save time and money no matter what you send, from packages to overnights and letters. Just click, send, and save with this new offer for SendPro Online. Starting at only $4.99 a month, you can print shipping labels and stamps from your own printer, easily compare rates using online software, gain access to special USPS savings for letters and priority mail shipping, and track all of your shipments with email notifications when they've arrived. Go to pb.com/finance to access this special offer and get a free 30-day trial plus that free 10-pound scale to get started. That's pb.com/finance. Experience the better way to ship with a free trial of SendPro Online from Pitney Bowes. And that is going to do it for today. Thank you so much for listening and subscribing, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow where your optimal life awaits.